Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. Myself Bharatar. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. My topic is exploring process elevation, a video assignment on generation arithmetic changes. Introduction. In presentation, we'll explore evolution's process may early development in modern architectural changes will analyze the impact of these changes comporting performance on and efficiency. Earlier process development, the earlier days, the processors, the emergency simple architectures and and limited capability. This year laid the foundation for future advancement. The computing technology and microprocessor designs. Rise of complex architecture. As a computing demands great processors evolved in corrupt more complex architectures. This led to scientific improvement in computational speed, mutual tasking capabilities, translation of multi-core processor. This translation on multi-core processor revolutionized computing by enabling parallel processing and improved task distribution. This shift marked a moment in processor evolution. Impact for semiconductor technology. Advertisement in semiconductor technology have played a crucial role processor evolutions enabling smaller transistor sizes and increased energy efficiency. Rise of mobile processor. The emergence of mobile processor brought about new era of computing emphasizing power efficiency and performing optimizing for portable devices. Challenges in processor evolution. Despite advancement, processor evolution has faced challenges such as hot and power consumption. Overcoming this obstacle is a crucial future developments. Innovations such as quantum computing and new architecture are shaping a future processor, promising unpredicted computational characteristics. Adapting a new workloads. Modern processor can constantly adapting a devicer workloads including AI and big data analytics with adaptively drives the need for architecture changes. Future trends in processor evolution. The future processors evolutions in a set of witness advertisement in quantum computing, AI integration, and enhanced security feature. These trends will redefine computing capabilities. Implication of architectural changes. The architectural changes in progress have performed implications for computing performance, energy efficiency, and overall technology landscape. Understanding this implication is crucial for future developments. Conclusion. In a conclusion, the evolution of process has been marked by scientific advancement in architecture and design. The future promises invites breakthroughs that will define computing capabilities and drive technology programs. Thank you, one and all. Watch the video complete, like and share.